Welcome back to the Keyless Project. Today, we're going to talk about affirmations and why you're doing them wrong. So right now, I'm taking a break from my run. I just finished 2 miles out of the 4 miles I was planning on doing today. And I want to take this break to share with you something I learned about affirmations. So if you don't know what an affirmation is, it is usually people standing in the mirror and just saying positive things about themselves, right? Like, I am good looking, I am intelligent, I am smart, I am all these things. Usually are called I am affirmations, right? So, and that is exactly what people do wrong. They get up in the morning when they get ready, or whenever they get a chance, they stand in the mirror, look at themselves and say, I am powerful, I am intelligent, I am smart, I am successful, I am a great person, I am kind, I am good looking, all these things, right? So, but the issue with that is what I've seen is that doesn't really sink in, because all you're doing is just saying words. And while yes, words mean things, and words have power, there's a key component that's missing when you're really trying to invoke a feeling, right? And that's the key word right there, is a feeling. So the wrong way is just saying the words. The right way is to include a feeling with those words and with the things you say. Because with the affirmations, if you do them the right way, they can be life-changing, powerful. I mean, you can speak things into existence for yourself by doing it the right way. So just to break it down a little bit further so it makes a little more sense, right? What I've experienced, what I've seen, I mean, nothing against women, right? But I guess, yeah, this is a pretense. This is nothing, not supposed to be offensive. This is just something I've observed, is that women, or the feminine, is a lot more of an emotional creature. Hence, they tend to remember things a lot better. I mean, as guys, I'm sure we've often seen like our girlfriends or female friends suddenly bring something up from 7 years ago on Monday, the 17th of September at 10:52 a.m., right? That is because there was an emotion attached to it. Or think back on something you remember very vividly, right? How did you feel? You can oftentimes recall the feeling that you had at that moment. Whereas try and remember a fact or a detail, very specific detail on something you don't really care about or you don't feel anything for, right? It's going to be a lot harder to remember those kinds of things and to really have them embedded in you. So with that being said, the best way and the right way to go about positive I am affirmations is to first start feeling something, right? To invoke an emotion inside of your body. So what I've learned, what I was taught, what I was told to do was to just take a moment and have some time, close my eyes. Can't do it right now because I'm walking in the road, right? But close your eyes and then remember a time in your life where you were on top of the world, where you won, where you were successful, and how you felt. And really put yourself back in those shoes, right? Really put yourself in that memory. What did it feel like? What did the ground on the floor feel like that you were standing on? Like for me, I like to look back when I was standing at Victory Pond at the end of Ranger School with 200 other soldiers next to me, all of us reciting the Ranger Creed. I can smell the cold air that we had there in January. I can feel the dampness of the water breezing across. I can hear the wind and the flag brushing in the wind, and I can hear all the voices echoing the Ranger Creed, and I can envision myself standing there. I'm getting goosebumps thinking about it, right? Like the feeling is just success. I did it. It's amazing. This is a powerful feeling. So put yourself back through a memory that you were on top of the world, that you were winning, and hold on to that feeling. And once you get that feeling in your body, then tell yourself, I am successful. I am a great father. I am so happy and grateful that I can support my family. I am so happy and grateful that I have the time and I am intentional with my children. You know? So that is really the right way to go about affirmations. Don't just go stand in front of a mirror and tell yourself, I am this, I am that, right? Go remember a time and a place that you were on top of the world and you were winning, and feel it in your body. Remember those feelings, and then tell yourself those wonderful things about yourself, because you are an amazing person. I'll talk to you in the next video. See you soon.